Ablesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering Technology. In this session, we are going to see a subject about Manufacturing Technology 2. The subject code is ME8451. From this subject, we are going to see about a Unit 4, Abrasive Process and Broaching. From this unit, we are going to see about a topic, Bonded Abrasives, Grinding Wheels and Broaching. The course outcome of the sub-unit is explain the requirement and application of abrasive process and broaching machine. From this unit, we can able to explain about the requirement and applications of abrasive process and broaching machines. Abrasive, bonded abrasives and grinding wheels. Bonded abrasive. The most grinding wheels are made of abrasive grains held together by a bonding material. The bonding materials are typed as wet fed glass, resinoid or thermosetting resin, rubber, and metal. In metal, the wheel itself is a metal. The grains are bonded to its surface. And the surface, the grains will be bonded on the metal surface. Grinding wheel component. They are grains and the bonding and the porosity. In between the grains and bond, there will be a porosity. The bonding is nothing but it is a, let's say, gum. It will be pasting the grains. Grinding wheel structure. There are three types. First one is a dense spacing, medium spacing, and the open spacing. In the dense spacing, the spacing of the grains will be less. And the medium space, the medium spacing there, the open spacing, there are much gap between the grains. Grinding wheel shapes. They are straight, cylinder, straight cup, flaring cup, and mounted. These are some of the types of grinding wheels. The flared cup, dish type, and the straight cup and the cylindrical are the some of the grinding wheels shapes. Grinding process. Grinding have irregular shapes and random spacing. Average rack angle is very negative and the radial positions of the grains are vary. Cutting speed is very high. Grinding process. There are three types of grinding process. First one is cutting, plowing, and rubbing. In the cutting, there will be a form of grinding chips. In the plowing, there will be no chips. In the rubbing also, there won't be any chips. This is a diagram of the three types. First one is cutting, plowing, and the rubbing. Grinding wheel. In the grinding wheel, it consists of the abrasive particle, open cavity, that is called porosity, and the binded form of bond. It will be connecting the each grains. And there will be form of cavity of full chips on the machining, and the partly filled cavity and the cavity. Grinding wheel types. First one is RTTS grain wear. The grains developed by a wear flat and the grain fracture. Necessary to produce sharp grainages, there will be a grain fracture in between the grains. And the bonded fracture. In the bonded, there will be a fracture. It allows a dull grains to dislodge from the wheels. Grinding wheel parameter. The grinding wheel parameter will be considering the abrasive material, grain size, and the bonding material, and the wheel grade and wheel structure. In the grinding wheel, there will be a turning and dressing operation. These are diagrams of the turning and dressing operation. Dressing stick pushed into a constant interference to the on the grinding wheel. The dressing will be pushed into at a constant interference for the forming of grains. Cutting fluids. In the grinding wheel, we will be using a cutting fluids to remove the heat, to remove the chips and the grain fragments and dislodge grains are usually a water-based emulsion. The cutting fluid will be usually a water-based emulsions and added by a float applications. Grinding ratio. The grinding ratio is the volume of the material removed divided by the volume of the wheel wear. Grinding. The design consideration of grinding will be as followed. First one is a design part so that they can be held securely. Second one, avoid interpreted surface if high dimensional accuracy is required because they can cause vibration. Ensure the cylindrical parts are balanced and thick enough to minimize the reflections. Next one is the short piece may be difficult to grind accurately in the centerless grinding because of limited supported by the blade. And the part requiring high accuracy from grinding should be kept simple to prevent frequent wheel dressing. And the last one is avoid small, deep or blinded holes or include a relief. Coated abrasive. The coated abrasive is abrasive grains are deposited on the flexible backing. They are more pointed than those in grinding wheels. The common examples are sandpaper and emery paper is a coated abrasives. The in belt grinding uses a coated abrasive in form of belt. Cutting speeds are about 2,500 to 6,000 feet per minute. And the micro replication, the abrasives with the pyramid shape are placed in a predetermined regular pattern on the belt. The broaching operation. Next topic is broaching operation. Broaching is a process of removing metal with a tool which has teeth arranged in a row. Each tooth is successively higher than the previous tooth and removes more material. Each tooth will be higher than the previous tooth for the removes the material. In broaching, one stroke or cycle of machine produces a finished part. The broaching is used to produce both internal and external features. Production rate are high and the tolerance is plus or minus 0.005 are possible. Specification of broaching machine. The maximum length of the stroke, the maximum force developed by a slide in tons, and the type of drive, what are the types of drive we are using, power rating of electrical motor in HP, and the speed and feed, and the weight of the machine, and what are the floor space required. These are the specification of broaching machine. We have to see on this. Advantages. Rough to finish in one pass, and the production rates are high, cutting time is quick, and the rapid load and unload of the parts. The external and internal features, and it will be cutting the external and the internal features. Any form that can be produced on the broaching tool can be produced. The production tolerance are excellent. Surface finish are equal to the milling. We can be give the accuracy equal to the milling machine. The operator skill is low. Disadvantage. The tooling cost can be high. In some cases, not suitable for a low production rates. The parts to be broached must be strong enough to withstand the force of the process. The surface to be broached must be accessible. Types of broaching machine. According to the nature and direction of primary cutting motion, there are three types. First one is horizontal, vertical, and continuous broaching machine. And according to the purpose, internal and external surface broaching machines. According to the method operation, pull broaching and push broaching machine. According to the construction of the broach tool, there are four types. First one is solid broaching machine, inserted tooth broaching machine, progressive cut broaching machine, and the built-up broaching machine. According to the function, keyway broaching machine, burnishing broaching machine, spline broaching machine, round hole broaching machine, and the surface broaching. These are the depends upon the function of the workpiece. And according to the number of main slides or stations, single broaching, double broaching, and the multiple slide broachings. According to the motion of the broach tool related to the work, that is two types. First one is a straight line motion broaching machine, stationary broach tool broaching machine. Type of broaching tools. According to the operation, first one is bush and second one is a bull broach. According to the kind of operation, internal or external, what a kind of operation we need, we will be going for that, internal or external. According to their construction, the solid broach build up of replaceable section and the inserted tool broach and the overlapping teeth broach and the progressive cut broach. Thank you.